Hey everybody, it's Nunu, and I'm here with you in our discussion of a poem by William Shakespeare and another poem by Alan Dugan. So here is a depiction of William Shakespeare. This is a biography of Shakespeare. It's here in this link, and the poem is Sonnet 127, published circa 1609. Now, Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets, and in most publications of his sonnets, their numbers are written in Roman numerals. They have no titles. It's just Sonnet 1, Sonnet 2, Sonnet 3, all the way down to Sonnet 154. So these are the Roman numerals for Sonnet 127. The C is 100. Each of the X's is a 10. The V is a 5, and the 1s are 1s. So that adds up to 127. So we are going to read and study Sonnet 127. And again, Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets, which are 14-line poems. And I have to say, this is a great depiction of Shakespeare, isn't it? He's really attractive here. It's the most attractive rendering I've seen. And as I look at the picture of Shakespeare, I think this could be a guy in LA walking down our streets. He looked hip back in the 16th century, early 17th century, and he looks hip now. All right, this is a photograph of Alan Dugan. Here is a biography in the link, and the poem we are going to read and discuss is Love Song, I and Thou, published in 2001. And this is one of Alan Dugan's most famous poems, and you'll probably see it everywhere for the rest of your life. It's that famous, and I hope you're going to think it's that good. Okay, so below the click here icon, as I survey our assignment, we have the discussion essay rubric. This is in every discussion assignment. This is how I evaluate your work, so you'll need to be familiar with it. Now, because you will need to quote in this discussion, I have help with quoting, how to quote poetry in MLA 8 format, and what is a quote and why does an essay need quotes. This is a video I made and published on my YouTube channel, My English Professor. Okay, surveying the rest of the assignment, we can see that we have a part 1 and we have a part 2. The first week of this assignment, which is in week 6, we are concerned with part 1, which is the essay. It's due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, October 11th, 2020. The peer evaluations are part 2, and they are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, October 18th, 2020. So you will see this assignment listed twice in your calendar, in week 6 and then in week 7. Week 6, which is this week, we are going to write the essay. And week 7, we're going to post peer evaluations. You'll post 2, and you'll respond to anybody who evaluates your posting, including myself. I will evaluate your posting. I'll ask you questions, and you'll need to answer them. That's part of your grade. Okay, so if you have any questions about the directions in this assignment, please come over here to inbox and ask me any questions, or if you want to Zoom with me, you can come up here to Zoom. All right, let's have a good week.